Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a wide range of health concerns. Extracted from the castor bean plant, Ricinus communis, this thick, nutrient-rich oil is packed with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that make it a powerful tool for wellness. Many people recognize castor oil as a traditional remedy for constipation, but its benefits go far beyond digestive health. From skin and hair care to immune support and joint pain relief, castor oil has numerous uses that can help improve overall well-being. It is also known to stimulate circulation, enhance lymphatic drainage, and even promote wound healing, making it one of the most versatile oils available. In this video, we'll explore the many natural benefits of castor oil, how it can be used effectively, and what precautions you should take when incorporating it into your wellness routine. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that gives the oil its powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. This compound has been shown to help with a variety of health concerns, including pain relief, improved circulation, and enhanced digestion. One of the most well-known properties of castor oil is its ability to reduce inflammation. When applied to the skin, it can help ease joint pain, sore muscles, and even arthritis symptoms. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for those suffering from chronic pain or inflammatory conditions. Regular use of castor oil may also help relieve nerve pain and support tissue repair, making it beneficial for those recovering from injuries. Additionally, castor oil has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it useful for treating minor cuts, wounds, and skin infections. It helps create a protective barrier on the skin, allowing it to heal while reducing the risk of bacterial growth. This can be especially helpful for people with fungal infections like athlete's foot or ringworm, as the oil helps slow the spread of harmful microbes. For those looking to improve circulation, castor oil can also be used as a warm compress to stimulate blood flow and promote healing. Regular use of castor oil packs may help with conditions like poor lymphatic drainage and swollen joints. Improving circulation in the body can also help with detoxification and muscle relaxation, leading to an overall feeling of well-being. The healing properties of castor oil make it a versatile and valuable addition to any natural wellness routine. Whether used as a massage oil, a wound treatment, or a detoxifying agent, it provides numerous benefits with consistent use. One of the most traditional uses of castor oil is as a natural laxative. It works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, helping to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives, castor oil provides a gentle but effective solution for those experiencing digestive discomfort. In addition to aiding digestion, castor oil is believed to support liver detoxification. The liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from the body, and using castor oil packs over the abdomen may help improve liver function and encourage detoxification. This can be particularly helpful for people who experience digestive sluggishness or bloating, as castor oil helps the body eliminate waste more efficiently. To use castor oil for digestive support, it can be taken orally in small amounts. Always consult a doctor before ingesting it, or applied externally as a castor oil pack over the abdomen. Many people find that applying a warm castor oil compress for 30 to 60 minutes can help ease bloating, improve digestion, and even relieve menstrual cramps. Some holistic practitioners believe that castor oil packs can also help balance hormones, making them a useful tool for women with irregular cycles or hormonal imbalances. Regular use of castor oil for digestive health and detoxification can support the body's natural cleansing processes, leading to improved overall well-being. By maintaining a healthy digestive system, you can improve energy levels, nutrient absorption, and gut health, all of which contribute to a stronger immune system. Castor oil is widely used in natural skincare due to its deep moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. It penetrates deeply into the skin, hydrating and nourishing while also helping to reduce redness and irritation. This makes it an excellent remedy for dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis, where hydration is essential for soothing discomfort and preventing flare-ups. One of its most popular uses is for treating acne and blemishes. The antibacterial properties of castor oil help prevent breakouts and reduce acne-causing bacteria, while its rich fatty acids support skin healing and repair. It also dissolves excess sebum, which can clog pores and lead to pimples. This makes castor oil an effective natural alternative to chemical-based acne treatments. Castor oil is also known to stimulate collagen and elastin production, which can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful appearance. For dark circles and under-eye puffiness, applying a small amount of castor oil before bed can help hydrate and brighten the skin. Regular use can improve skin texture, tone, and elasticity, making the skin look and feel healthier. To use castor oil for skincare, simply apply a few drops to clean skin before bedtime, or mix it with other carrier oils like coconut or jojoba oil for an added boost of hydration. It can also be used as a natural lip balm or cuticle oil, helping to soothe and repair dry areas. Some people even use castor oil as a natural makeup remover, as it helps break down dirt and oil while moisturizing the skin at the same time. With regular use, castor oil can improve skin texture, reduce blemishes, and enhance natural beauty without the need for harsh chemicals. Its ability to deeply hydrate and protect the skin makes it a must-have for soft and radiant skin. Many people use castor oil as a natural remedy for hair growth and scalp health. Its high concentration of ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids helps to increase circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting stronger, healthier hair. This natural oil has been used for generations to support thicker, fuller hair growth. Regular use of castor oil can help with hair thinning, dryness, and breakage, making it a great treatment for those experiencing hair loss or brittle strands. It is also known to moisturize the scalp, reduce dandruff, and soothe itchiness, creating a healthier environment for hair growth. People with scalp conditions such as eczema or psoriasis may also find relief, as castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory and healing properties. To use castor oil for hair, warm a small amount in your hands and massage it directly into the scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight before washing it out with a gentle shampoo. Mixing castor oil with lighter oils like argan or coconut oil can make it easier to apply and rinse out. Some people also use castor oil as a deep conditioning treatment, applying it from roots to ends to add shine and prevent split ends. With consistent use, castor oil can strengthen hair, reduce hair fall, and enhance shine, making it a natural and affordable solution for healthy hair. Whether applied as a scalp treatment, an overnight hair mask, or a conditioning oil, castor oil provides long-term benefits for hair health and growth. While castor oil has many benefits, it's important to use it correctly and in moderation. Improper use can lead to unwanted side effects, so understanding the best ways to apply and consume castor oil is essential. For external use, always do a patch test before applying castor oil to large areas of skin to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. It is generally safe for topical application, but because of its thick consistency, it is best mixed with other oils for easier absorption. Using too much at once can clog pores, so applying a small amount at a time is recommended. For internal use, castor oil should be taken only in small amounts and under medical guidance. Excessive intake can lead to severe diarrhea, dehydration, and cramping. Pregnant women should avoid ingesting castor oil, as it may stimulate contractions. In some cases, castor oil has been used to induce labor, but this should only be done under strict medical supervision. When purchasing castor oil, choose cold-pressed, hexane-free, organic varieties to ensure maximum purity and effectiveness. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality. Avoid using expired castor oil, as it may lose its effectiveness or develop an unpleasant odor over time. By using castor oil safely and responsibly, you can enjoy its many wellness benefits while avoiding potential side effects. Always start with small amounts and monitor how your body responds before making it a regular part of your routine. Castor oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy that can support skin health, hair growth, digestion, and pain relief. With its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and moisturizing properties, it is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their wellness routine naturally. Whether used to hydrate dry skin, promote hair growth, or relieve joint pain, castor oil offers a safe and effective way to improve overall health. Its benefits have been recognized for centuries, and modern science continues to support its use in natural healing and self-care. By incorporating castor oil into your daily life, you can experience its full range of health-enhancing effects. Comment below, have you ever used castor oil? What benefits have you noticed? Like, share and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update on how to improve your health naturally.